everyone. My name is Mahima Panthia. Welcome. I'm here to talk to you about EduSure and our DUSEM1 courses. I hope you've heard about EduSure. We've been training students for MA Economics exams since the past 15 years. Let me tell you a bit about myself. I am Mahima Panthia. I am a pass out of SRCC from DU, and then I did my master's from Delhi School of Economics back in 2008. And then I was teaching at St. Stephen's College, DU, for a year. After that, I started EduSure. So that's been my journey and an out and out DU student. We have been training students for MA Economics entrance exams since the past 15 years. So, right, that's been our primary what we do. Here, we used to face similar challenge. Now, the challenge used to be that the basics of the students were not as well done. We've been, of course, through our programs trying to address this and, been able to do it reasonably successfully. But then we thought, why not get into our semester training also, so that when a student comes to us, he's already well prepared and he already has a basic idea about how do we prepare for these entrances and your basics are clear. And, so just generally help students from their graduation level and not just when they have to prepare for their master's. So it seemed like a more holistic thing to do. So now that is why this year, after all these years, we are here with the DU semester courses. So for DUSEM1, we have all the courses. We have your Introductory Introductory Stats, and MME1. So MME1, Suman ma'am is our teacher. She's a PhD from DU and a gold medalist as well. So she's the teacher who's taking maths for us. There is a separate video on Introductory MME with her, that if you do MME1 with her, how is it going to be? So please watch that video if you're interested in MME1. I'm going to take you through how EduSure plans to do introductory micro and stats with you all. What is the EduSure advantage? I think our advantage lies in two things. One is the simplicity with which we deal with things. We don't overcomplicate it or anything. We keep it simple, and we make sure that you are well prepared with your theoretical base, your PYQs, and your PDF notes. Everything is well done. So I'm just going to give you a glimpse of what you will be getting when you come to us at EduSure to prepare for your introductory microeconomics. So this is a glimpse of what our student portal is going to look like when you come to us. So your topics segregated unit-wise, and then it'll be your chapter and the questions on that chapter. Then that chapter, questions on that chapter questions on that chapter. So it's so it actually is very simple. You do the theory, you see the notes, and then you do the questions of that topic. So there is really nothing, no stone kind of left untold, so that there's no surprises at the end of the exam. You have all the PYQs, and we'll be adding to these PYQs as and when we're able to do more and more. The syllabus is pretty simple. It's got, for example, what we can see here: demand, supply, taxation, elasticity. So taxation is something that I see students falter with a lot. If a tax is imposed, is it imposed on the buyer, seller? How do you add it to the supply curve or the demand curve? What do you do? So these things, which are often confusing to the student, we've tried to deal with it in a simple and mathematical way, and taking care of all the PYQs along the way. So that's our approach, and we also want to hold tests for you all. So what we also do very well is provide you with your schedule of how you are to do this. So the syllabus is not a lot, I would say. So we'll just give you a very very simple schedule, probably about owning classes about twice a week, and that should be enough. We provide you with that schedule, and you study according to the schedule, and you should be through. That's really the plan, to keep it simple and sweet. We have introductory micro. And I'd also like to show you our introductory stats. So here is introductory stats, your topic 1, notes, videos, and PYQs will come here. So similar format, notes, videos, and PYQs. So as and when we keep providing, and like I said, keep adding it as we go along. So this is pretty much the plan that we have. We hope for you to come and experience sort of our portal and see the quality of what we do. If you want to try us, please give us a call. We can share with you a demo portal so that you can go over to portal before you actually decide to come to us. There are lots of free lectures that we provided on our EduSure channel. There are free playlists for you to go through. Another thing is that every year, if you know, that DU takes out this minutes of the meeting, which actually revises the syllabus every year. So this year for 2025, it's September and still that revised syllabus has not come. Usually by August, they are over every year. This year, it's not yet over. So we are expecting that those meetings will happen this year, hopefully soon. I've seen only for one subject it had come on the DU website. This is our Econ DSE website. And if you can see, every year for 2024, let's say the meetings were held in May, then in December. So every semester, these meetings happen, which revises the syllabus. Now, somehow for 2025, so if you can see in 2024 in May, all the meetings happened. Then in Jan, then previous year, August, meetings happened. March, it happened. Only in COVID, actually, it got late in October. But every year it happens before time. This year, it's been August and only one meeting has happened till here. So we really don't have the revised syllabus for this year. We can look at the syllabus for the previous semester, which was for 2024. We can look at the syllabus. Since they haven't done the meeting this year and college has already started, I'm guessing they will not change the syllabus too much from last year. So this is for your introductory micro. And your basic text is ManQ. For this, the readings are available at either your college photocopier or Patel Chest. At DSE itself, you can get the readings, so readings would be available. Unit 1 is pretty much introductory. Unit 2 talks about all of markets. How does markets work? So demand, supply, elasticity, taxes, government policy, welfare, efficiency, which is going to be consumer surplus, producing surplus, role of government, taxation, and externalities in public goods. And then this is going to be a bit of very basic introduction of game theory. So that's what the syllabus is about for introductory micro. So like I said, it's a 2024 syllabus. So there may be change, though I can't say for certain, or they may not be. So right now we are assuming this is the syllabus. And in case the syllabus changes, we're obviously going to update our portal and give you the updated syllabus. Okay, so this is statistics. So there is DeVore is the basic book for this. So the probability is the main topic. Elementary probability theory would include what you've already done in your, let's say, 11th, 12th, your Bayes theorem and the different rules of probability and so on. This is probability distribution, special probability distributions, including Bernoulli, binomial, geometric, hypogenetic, Poisson, uniform, exponential, normal. Now, all of these are actually really, really important, not just from this exam point of view, which is your current USEM 1, but if you want to do anything later. If you sit for CAT, you will have some bit of probability, maybe not at advanced, but you will have it. If you sit for MA Eco, then all of this will be helpful for your interviews. If you are sitting for your job interviews, they will ask you some version of some questions. I remember in DSE, when I had sat for a job interview, they'd ask me questions on standard deviation. And so stats is a very popular thing. And since you know data science is a big thing, given that data science, there's a lot of focus, that's all stats. So you need to know your stats well. We'll make sure that your stats is covered very well. We look forward to you joining us on this journey with us. Thank you. If you have any questions or concerns, please ask us, get in touch with us, have a look at our demo portal. Let's hope that we can build a good foundation for all of you very soon.